Now let's start moving the code for our main activity. And I'm going to go ahead and open my Java main activity.java. And I'm going to start by copying these private member variables, or properties if you prefer. And I'm going to allow the imports to proceed. And then in the onCreate, once again, I'm going to leave this floating action button here for now, but I'm going to do something to it. This part is the same. This is the stuff I added when I was building the ActionBar activity, so I'm going to add that after the floating action button. So this r.id.imageView, that's going to be in my content under main.xml file when I'm done. This is the same. For this on options item selected, I added this code here. So I'm going to replace this if statement with the if statement that I changed, and I'll also import intent. And all of these IDs will be in my content main as well. And then I added these new methods, and I'm just going to copy toggle action bar and toggle fish. So copy those. And I'll paste those in here. And that should be it for this source, the Java. Now let's go to content main. And here I'm going to go to the old layout activity main.xml and just copy the contents of activity main, Control A to select all, Control V to paste. So I'm just going to replace all of that stuff in content main with the activity main from the other project. So let's go back here and see how we're doing. So these are actually from the menu. So let's go ahead and open menu under main. And here we'll go menu under main. And I'm going to copy all of this, select all and copy, and then select all and paste. So now I need some strings for the actions. So I'm going to go to strings.xml. And here I'm going to go to strings.xml. And I'm going to copy all of these action strings. So we have an action settings. Let's see if we have action settings here. Yep, we have an action settings already, so I'm going to select that and paste. And so that should be it for that. Let's go back to main activity. I'm not getting any errors. So I should have enough to actually start testing now. I'm going to go ahead and hit the run button, and we'll see what happens. And I'm going to select, this time I'm using API level 22, and I suggest you use API level 22 instead of API level 21, because when we get to the activity lifecycle, you'll run into a bug in the API. So I'm going to go launch it. And Gradle will do its thing. Okay, so it should be running now. And here it is. So this is in Marshmallow. I'm going to click on the image. Action bar goes away. That's good. So this is light with dark action bar. This is the default. And then I'm going to click on the button to hide the fish. Now let's try our custom theme. So this is not working. And also I still have this floating action button here, but I'm going to do something about that. Alright, so all of the buttons are working. The themes are not correct. So I'm going to have to do something to fix that. So we're getting there. So let's look at what's going on with the themes. Let's start with Activity Custom. And this is using the custom theme app bar overlay. Oh, I do have to change something in the manifest, I think, here. Let's see what we have. Yeah, so this should be app theme, no action bar for main activity. This should be dark theme. Actually, this is custom. And the rest of that looks okay. And this one is dark. And this one is light. And this is light dark bar. So I was wrong before when I said we wouldn't be changing the themes in the manifest anymore. Let's try it now. Okay, custom. So that's dark with a dark bar. That's light with a light bar. So it's not getting the text, it's not getting the background image. Light with a dark bar. So we're making some progress. Everything seems to be working except for the text color and the custom background.